bunch of cool cars. NSXs, Evo. Is that an Accord wagon? That's cool. And then there's that inside area. So we'll go check that out. See what's up. Here's a better look of that Accord wagon. Super clean, right next to the NSX and then the Integra. And we got a bunch of other cars. We'll go check it out inside. We got Millennium Jade, EK, Wagon M3, R32 GTR. Oh, this is crazy NSX. I've seen it in pictures, seriously. But I've never seen it in person. Clean Sylvia. Super clean right here. The bright seats. Right hand drive too. Super clean. The NSX is insane. I'm chilling right here. Dude, these are all the pictures that were nominated for this. See it all printed out and everything.
Also cool because
this wagon and thing is crazy. We've seen it before. So back outside, we got this crazy 240 next to the V-Spec there. Wide body S2000. Who knows what body kit that is? Looks kind of crazy in that RWB. This RWB is crazy. Molded wide body. Crazy clean. Pretty sure this is a Voltex kit on the S2000. The GEs. Super clean. Got this STI with the Voltex wide body too. This Skyline is crazy. The R31 you hardly see here in the States. If it is a real GTR, that's crazy. That's super clean. Got the AE86 super clean next to the R33 and R35. Super cool. Porsche just pulled up. Livery on that is pretty cool. The Duster, that's super cool. Outside you got a wide body Charger. Super clean right there. BMW with chrome TE blade and everything. Just trying to find parking. Few cool cars parked right there. Lifted Raptor. Pulling in. Super clean, man. R35. Crunching his front wheel. Trying to make space for parking. See what happens here. Those cars that just pulled up. R32, 3, 35, super clean. Here's a closer look on that Porsche. Popped with a little headlight. Looks cool though. Crazy. Right there. He's trying to find parking too. Super clean. Here's a closer look on that Porsche. SSR wheel is super clean though. Got S2000, little GDM style. Civic right there. Super cool. And back to the Civic over here. Front end looks mean with the carbon hood, bright seats inside. And then the R8 pulled up right behind that Porsche. Super clean. we got Killeen S2000 and then the GX 300. We're clean on the Workmeister. So I did end up leaving the car meet right there, but I did run into this homie with a bag Lexus and we ended up going to shoot. So we did go to downtown and I will show a few pictures right here. And then we ended up going to Chinatown as well. But in Chinatown they did end up turning off the lights on us, so we had to end the night early. And I also stumbled upon Bowls, which had that GR pop-up shop right there too, so that was pretty cool to see. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.